It's not Wordle. It's Puzzle, but it's been so much fun, dude. We've been having a blast on it. Hive Mind. Nice. Nice. Mind your business. Mentality was a good one, though, Gravy. Mind what? Mind read? No. Mind reader? It was Mind Reader. That's a good one. They almost got me with that one. I ain't gonna lie.